Are you also a working professional and want to give a hike to your career in the field of data science? Then why to worry? LearnBay is here for you. Join LearnBay's Data Science and AI Certification Program for Managers and Leaders, a course co-developed with IBM. The course is specially intended for working professionals with 5+ year working experience in both technical and non-technical domain. Wonder what are the topics you are going to cover in the course? Let's now discuss. The course is divided into 15 modules from 0 to 14, wherein you are going to learn from scratch to advance from Python, SQL, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and much more. Module O is all about basics, wherein you are going to learn the basics of Python, basics of programming, basics of SQL, and much more. In Module 1, you will be learning about Python programming, NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, and much more. Module 2 is all about mathematics and statistics, wherein you will be learning hypothesis testing, descriptive and inferential statistics, and much more. Module 3 covers all aspects of machine learning relating to supervised learning, unsupervised learning, decision trees, linear and logistic regressions, and much more. Module 4 is a blend mix of deep learning, TensorFlow, CNN, neural networks, and much more. Module 5 gives you a deep knowledge of natural language processing, discussing its libraries, distance algorithms, text analytics, and much more. By the end of Module 6, you will be mastering programming in SQL, MongoDB, RDBMS, NoSQL, and much more. In Module 7, you will be learning the basics of R programming, programming with R, manipulating data, and visualization of data, and much more. Module 8 and 9 will give you a gist of Tableau, Power BI, data visualization, analytics, and much more. Similarly, in Module 10 and 11, you'll get a gist of Big Data and Spark Analytics. Also, the best part, at the end of this module, you'll get to practice 2 case studies of your theory. With Module 12, you'll get an introduction to GCP Cloud ML Engine, training and deploying of machine learning models, etc. Module 13 helps you understand data science workflow and pipeline, architecture of AI and ML systems, and building AI and ML analytics. Module 14 discusses about projects relating to different industries like that of healthcare, banking and finance, IT, retail, telecom, etc. Knowing all the topics covered of the course, let's now discuss why to choose the course and the benefits from it. We have all the reasons for you to choose this course. We provide 300+ hours of live classes from industry experts and believe in project-based learning, hence offering 15+ real-time and 3 capstone projects with the 18-month flexible subscription, providing both weekdays and weekend batches. Adding on to your benefit list, you get a lifetime video facility. At the end of the course, you will be certified by IBM, one of the most prominent tech company in the IT sector. And the most important aspect, you don't need to have any prerequisites, since the course covers all the concepts from scratch to advance. So, what are you waiting for? Join LearnBay today. For more details and queries, contact us at contacts@learnbay.co or talk to our career counselors for more details. Happy learning!